Faith arises naturally. It is an effect. What's the cause? Your confidence in your ability to do something. Well, faith without work. You see how they go together? Cause and effect. Faith and work are one and the same. They're not separate. You have faith in that ability, you work it out, you do it. So the work is the action, the evidence. You have to see the evidence. Right? You see the evidence in your ability to do something. Your faith arises naturally. So it's never lost. So you don't have to go searching for it. Recognize that you are the cause. Well, Angela, I still don't understand how I'm supposed to put my faith into practice. Do the thing you're good at. Well, you wouldn't do it if you hadn't learned how to do it. So because you can do it and you see that you're good at it,